Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Instagram trending sad cinematic video using Capcut. So if you want to recreate those viral emotional reels that give goosebumps, the step-by-step tutorial shows you exactly how to edit sad cinematic videos using Capcut right on your phone. So first you can just add your clips into Capcut like this. Then add your audio, that sad song, that your favorite sad song. Here I would just add from my device. So let's say I want to add this songs in here, and then you can just crop the songs to the part that you need. So I would just go trim in here. And then you can add beats to the songs, auto generate in here. Then I'm going to just adjust the intensity into light. Click on a check icon. Then you can crop your video align with your beats, with the yellow dots in here. So just split the video like this until the end of the clip, and then you can click on each of clips and here go to the speed options. Here I'm going to just use curve, and then you can choose the custom one, or you can also use the preset. So here I'm going to just go with the montage, for example. Click on a check icon, and then you can just repeat the same step to the whole video. And after that you can go to filters. Here I'm going to add this sizzly filter to the clip. I'm going to adjust the intensity to 85. Click on a check icon and make sure it apply to whole clips, just like this. And then add another filter. Here I'm going to add the gray orange filter, this one, and adjust the intensity. I'm going to just go with around 45. Click on a check icon, align the duration, and now what you need to do is just add the lyrics. So go to captions and just use the auto lyrics feature, and here choose the sound source, the spoken language. Here I'm going to just go with auto detect and choose the templates or the style of the lyrics. So in here I'm going to just generate it first. So click on generate and just wait until it shows up. Okay, so once you done, you can click on the lyrics in here and go to style. Then you can choose the style that you want. I'm going to just go with aesthetic, and here I'm going to use this one, for example. You can just choose which one that you want. Click on the check icon, make sure it apply to all of the lyrics, and now your Instagram reels is done. You can just export it in the best quality and upload it to your Instagram. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.